You're going to connect the hose right in that little spigot down here. Ooh. Screw it in finger tight. Don't worry about making it super tight. Okay. This step is really important. Get your phone out.
Get my phone out?
Yep, and take a picture of that dial. You want to make sure you're seeing exactly where that arrow is pointing to.
That arrow?
Yep. Just snap a picture. Because in 10 minutes, Murphy's Law, you'll forget. Now, you're going to turn this dial. If you look over on the side, you can see it has a spot that says vacation.
Vacation.
Yep. You're going to turn the dial clockwise till it gets to vacation. Bam. That basically turns the heater off without turning the gas completely off, so that it makes sure that you won't burn the bottom of your heater when there's no water in it.
Gotcha.
Next, we take the other end of the hose and we're going to go and put it out the drain. To do that, we have to loosen this. And that one is real simple. Just going right in here and give it a couple loose turns. Okay. Boom. Now when the water drains out, it goes in here.
All right.
The next part involves being able to reach back to where there's a little handle for a cutoff valve. If you, depending upon your water heater and where it's located, you might need help or a tall person to help you.
Oh, I didn't know I could stand on that. Okay.
Okay, and then you just give it a crank. And it goes 1/4 turn, and that cuts the water off. Next, use a screwdriver to open up the valve where you've connected the hose.
Whoops.
Use 2 hands if you need to.
Which way to turn? That way.
Only halfway. There you go. And that's it. Let it run for about 10 minutes. Turn on the hot water now, and it should come up empty, or at the most you'll hear a little gurgling or a little hiss. That is the air draining through the pipes and basically cleaning things out. 10 minutes of time passing by. Now that 10 minutes has gone by, you could let it go a little bit longer to make sure it drains out, but once you're done, switch it back. Turn the little spigot so it's perpendicular. Perfect T, you're all set. Climb back up. You're doing this in the reverse order of what you turned off. So first we turned off turned up the hose. Now we're going to open up the water so that it's coming back in. Pull the hose out of your drain, put the cap on, and then tighten it back up. Perfect. Nope, other way. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Unscrew the hose from the heater. Check your phone to look at that picture. It sounds silly that you need to double check the picture, but if you forget and absentmindedly set it to the wrong dot, close to the wrong dot, go ahead and turn that back. If you set it to the wrong dot, then either your hot water won't get warm enough for you, or whoever takes the first shower gets burned.
Very hot.
All set. Okay. A second, now turn that on. It'll take a couple seconds and the water's coming through. You're good to go.